Hi everyone, I am J, the author of gmail.com. Now we will show you the comprehensive step-by-step upgrade process of the existing Ionic 4 and Ionic 5 with the latest Angular 8 update. We will see what will change and what still use after the upgrade completes. Also, we will add one of the new core update feature of Ionic 5 to the upgraded Ionic apps. This tutorial divided into several steps. Step number 1. Prepare the Ionic 4 app. Step number 2. Upgrade to Ionic 5. Step number 3. Check the upgraded Ionic app. Step number 4. Add a new core Ionic 5 feature. Step number 5. Run and test the upgraded Ionic app. The following tools, frameworks, libraries, and modules are required for this tutorial. Node.js, Ionic Framework, Angular, existing Ionic 4 app, terminal or Node command line, text editor or IDE. We are using Visual Studio Code. Step number 1. Prepare the Ionic 4 app. We will use the working apps that created from the last Ionic tutorial. Next, clone the existing Ionic 4 app. Next, go to the newly cloned Ionic app. Install all required npm and run every required npm command. Run this Ionic app to check everything is working. Add the platforms and run to the device after stop the running Ionic 4 lab by press Ctrl+C. Run iOS and Android to device or emulator. Step number 2. Upgrade to Ionic 5. We will upgrade everything that related to Ionic 5 including updating the Ionic CLI and Angular. Next, update the Ionic CLI globally. Next, update the existing Ionic Angular 4 or 8 to the latest its stable version. Now it's time to upgrade the Ionic 4 to Ionic 5. Open this Ionic app using your IDE or text editor. To use Visual Studio Code, type this command. Step number 3. Check the upgraded Ionic app. We need to check the upgraded Ionic app to make sure everything is working as expected. Next, open the package.json with your IDE or text editor and see if there's the latest versions of Ionic Angular. Run again the newly upgraded Ionic app. It seems everything is working except the list icon disappears. That's because the new Ionicon's versions deleted the list box. So, we need to change that icon to this icon that renamed to the new icon's versions by open and edit is rc app tab1 page HTML. Then replace the list icon with this. Next, centering the header content using the new Ionic 5 CSS utilities. Add the CSS class to every tab, page header, and Ion card. Give a padding to the Ion card contents in the tabs to page HTML. Change the text in Ion list header to wrap text by Ion label in order to get the proper styling of the new design. Step number 4. Add a new core Ionic 5 feature. One of the key improvements of Ionic 5 is public animations and gesture API. Now we will implement the animations to the image in the Detail tab. Next, open and edit rc app tab2 page.js. Then add or modify this import. Declare elements that will animate using viewChild. Inject the animation controller to the constructor. Add this animation API to the ngOnInit function. Open and edit rc app tab2 page HTML, then replace the app-get tag with this. Step number 5. Run and test the upgraded Ionic app. These new Ionic 5 apps now can test using browser, but type these commands. If there's an error when open or navigate to tab 2 like this, change the ngIf to class shows in Ion card. You will see a rotating image on the details page. Next, run to the Android or iOS device or simulator. Here they are the final Ionic 5 apps on device or emulator. That is, upgrade the existing Ionic 4 app to Ionic 5 and add new feature. You can get the article and full source code link on the description below. If you think this tutorial is useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you later.